We're back at the Dio racing shop today. This video is for a gentleman out in YouTube land named Jeff. Thank you, Jeff. Jeff was saying that I should get my helmet cam and start making videos on my Dio. There's the helmet. There's the camera. And here is the bike. And I've been trying to do it, but I've been working 7 days a week and I'm lazy. So anyway, if you guys out there like this video, you can thank Jeff. What the hell? I haven't had the Dio out in a while. It's very fast, and I have not used the helmet camera on it. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with the helmet camera. I'm going to halfway use the camera and halfway use this camera. So what I'll do is I'll get the bike all warmed up. Let me see if I can flip this and show you how cool I look. What do you think? Is it like that? Oh. Yeah, maybe it's like that. Yeah, I look like Dirty Harry, don't I? I look cool for being old. At least I got all my hair. I can't bitch. Anyway, I got on my TT, trying to do this, my TT Isle of Man shirt, and this is for Jeff. Thank you, Jeff, and for all my bradas in Hawaii, aloha, and boat chop cheap bop bop. I don't know what that means, but I'm hip. DIOSpeedDemon, the man, the myth, the legend. All right, back to writing. That's one of the very few videos from me. I've been lifting weights, so I'm losing weight, and I'm kind of old, so it's the way it is. So I'm gonna start this up, warm it up. This camera, I want to show you how this works. This contour camera is about 10 years old. I bought it a long time ago. I used this helmet, this black helmet, because I don't want to put this Velcro deal on my other helmets wherever they went. So I take this and I stick it on the Velcro. You can adjust the angle, everything else. As you've noticed on my last bike ride with the 600, I lean really far over the handlebars. So what I should have done is taken this camera and lifted it up, so I wasn't staring at the speedometer all the time. Excuse me. What I'm doing with the contoured camera too is right in the center right here. It has a little tiny microphone, or right there, which does not work very good for the wind, because the wind is always hitting it right there. So what I've done is gone on YouTube. I've got a microphone right here, which this part, you can see it's kind of neat. It's got a lot of stuff on it, I don't know what for. But this microphone will go underneath the helmet right here so I can speak. But also it will cut the wind noise, and I'm waiting for a little tiny 3.5 millimeter adapter that fits right here. That you drill a hole right there and you put it in. All it does is, if this microphone is plugged in, then the front microphone doesn't work. This other adapter does, which is great, because then I can talk while I'm riding or things like that. I just don't have the ability to edit. What I got to do is, dudes, I got to go to the local college and get me some 19-year-old Chi-Chi, beautiful media expert student, and have her come over and give me some hands-on help with editing, if you know what I mean. Back to writing.